Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing another fall what's in my bag. I've been loving doing the what's in my bags, one of my favorite videos to watch, so I'll insert the clip of the unboxing. I decided to do a what's in my bag for October. You really saw my what's in my bag for September. She's actually right over there. I took everything out of her. Some of the things that was in her is in this bag. I saw this bag literally blow up on TikTok and I was like, oh my gosh. I would watch the what's in my bags and all the baddies had this LV loop or half moon bag. She's so freaking cute, and when this company reached out to me, I'll put their name right here. They were kind enough to send me this bag. Now she is super popular. She's so freaking cute. But here's a close-up of her. And if you can't tell already, I am an LV girly. She is one of my favorite designer luxury brands. She just is like, I don't know, she's always been my favorite. Chanel and Louis Vuitton have always been my absolute favorites. I put the hand sanitizer holder that I had from September, and yeah, she's so freaking cute. And then I added my little Munchichi. She's super cute too. And I felt like this was fitting for October because it's a Munchichi dressed up as Hello Kitty. So, you know what I mean? So she's basically in her costume. So freaking cute. And then I added the pumpkin clip from my last bag just because she matches more than the ghost one. So I added her. So let's get into the actual inside of my bag. She is so packed. Let me show you guys. She is packed all the way. She's got a lot of good stuff in here. So before we get into all the contents in here, this bag is so well made. The leather is so soft and all the hardware is just super good quality, and I'm just so impressed. So good. I love it. So the first thing I have in my bag is the Girlfriend lotion. I can't get enough of her. She is my favorite. I have many other spooky scents or fall related scents, but I come back to this one. She's just so cute, so girly, and she smells so freaking good. So I love having her. My favorite. I'm so glad I bought 2 of those. Of course, I have the matching little mini spray. She fits perfectly. I love the mini Bath and Body Works sprays. They are just so purse friendly, so I recommend getting a bunch of those if you like packing your bags too. The next item I put in my bag was this really pretty Bratz mirror slash brush, and she is from the Bratz Primer collection, and she has the mirror on one side and then the little mini brush on the other, which she comes in handy because, you know, like sometimes if you have the windows down, your hair is blowing and it gets like knotted or whatever. So I find her to be super essential in having in your purse. But yeah, so cute. Love her. And she goes with the whole theme too. She's given like, you know, she just matches. The next thing I have in my bag is another mirror. I love this mirror. I mean, I could just pull this one out, but I like this one too. I thought she was really pretty and aesthetic to have, or to like pull out if you need to look at yourself. And this one has the magnifying side too, so I sometimes like need that. Yeah, love her. I got this at TJ Maxx last winter. I hauled her a long time ago. The next couple of items in here are from my lip combo. So I did this lip combo. I'm gonna have to edit it and post it to my TikTok, but this is my new lip combo. She's so cute. I have my MAC Cosmetics lipstick. This is in the shade Blankety. So cute. My friend Karima actually gave this to me, and I'm really happy she did because I didn't have this color in my collection. I don't know, I don't even know if I had this in my collection, but regardless, this is one of my favorite colors since back in the day, and I have her on my lippies now. And then the next item, and then the next gloss, and then the next thing I have in my bag is the e.l.f. Crystal Baller Lip Oil. I actually added her with Blankety. New lip combo. My lip combo today is the ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Lip Liner that I just hauled in my Ulta haul, with this and this. And she's giving fall baddie. Love her. The last thing I have in my bag is this spooky Halloween themed lip balm. She looks like a lipstick, but she's cute to have in your bag if you're not wearing anything on your lips, or if you need to prep your lips with something because they're dry as, you know what I mean? So that's what I have. And that is literally everything I had in her. She's very small, and you girlies know I like my bags tiny sometimes. But yeah, so this will be my bag that I quickly grab when I'm running out the door to run little mommy errands really quickly. I usually keep a bag in the car of like what my baby needs separately, like his diapers, his wipes, a bottle, toys, things like that are always in the back seat. So I don't really have to worry too much about carrying items for him. So I know this video was short, but you know, I had to do in October what's in my bag, and I have to say this, I always say this, but she is as realistic as can be. I know sometimes like what's in my bags are like really like packed bags, and they have like everything you can possibly think of, which is really good, especially when you have like a full work day and you're gonna need all that stuff. You're gonna need your flossers, you're gonna need your tissues, this, that, and the third. But I am now a stay-at-home mommy. You girlies know that if you watched my vlogs many vlogs ago. I am now a stay-at-home mom, so I just need the little essentials. I don't need too much. This what's in my bag is as realistic as can be. I literally could fit just enough stuff that I would need if I'm going on a quick errand. but here she is again. She's so freaking cute, and like I said, I will have all the links to her down in my description box if you are interested in twinning with me. But yeah, she's so freaking cute, and I'm so happy I finally own her, because like, this is just a baddie bag. All the baddies have her on TikTok, and I was like, I want one too. And she matches the shirt. But yeah, you guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was kind of short. But I'm gonna go back to filming some TikTok content because this makeup is too good. Also, I got all my Shein stuff. I think I have one more order on the way. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm really excited. And I'll see you in my next girly video. Bye, you guys.
Can we get it together?